Hello everyone, I'm Bhuvneshwari from Susavani Institute of Management. I'm here to give company review on Reliance Industries Limited. So why Reliance? The reason why I have chosen Reliance is because it is the first Indian company to cross 10 trillion in market capitalization. It is India's largest and most profitable private sector company. Reliance continued to be a significant global player in integrated energy value chain while establishing leadership positions in the retail and digital services across India. It is one of the first companies in India to integrate sustainability into its core businesses. Overview of the company. Reliance Industries Limited is an Indian multinational conglomerate company which was founded by Dhirubhai Ambani in the year 1973. It's been headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The chairman and managing director of the company is Mukesh Ambani. The company is traded in NSE and BSE both. Reliance owns businesses across India, which is engaged in energy, petrochemicals, textiles, natural resources, retails, and telecommunications. Vision of Reliance is to build a new Reliance for a new India. Its mission is to grow India and grow with India. The key people, the key people in the management team includes Mukesh Ambani, who is the chairman and managing director, Neeta Ambani, who is a non-independent director, and other executive directors include Hital R. Meswani, Nikhil R. Meswani, and PMS Prasad. Reliance business segments include retail. Examples of retail include Reliance Fresh, supermarkets, Trends, Apparel store. Then digital services includes geo, media and entertainment, refining and marketing, petrochemicals, exploration and production. These are the business segments of Reliance. Customer segment of Reliance includes normal consumers, merchants, micro, small and medium businesses, large enterprises. Though geographical presence of Reliance, though Reliance outlets are across the country, its manufacturing locations are in few places. The geographical presence includes Vadodara, Naroda, Allahabad, Jamnagar, Hazira, Silvassa, Patal Ganga, and so on. Its competitors, that is, Reliance is at war with its competitors. In the segment of petrochemicals, Reliance competition is with HP. In the segment of telecom, one of its competition includes Airtel. In apparel stores, one of its competition includes Trends. In supermarket store, its competition includes DMart, Big Bazaar. In case of e-commerce, the Agio, which is an e-commerce sector of Reliance, has competition with Amazon and Myntra. In case of digital streaming, Reliance Jio and Sound Music has competition with Ghana and Prime Video. These are some of its competitors. SWOT analysis. Strengths of a Reliance includes its position and diverse brand portfolio. Reliance has a successful track record of integration. Reliance Jio and digital services are its main strength. And the latest one is Reliance has become a debt-free company in the financial year 2020 to 2021. Its weakness include less investment in one of its weakness include less investment in research and development. Its limited success outside core business, no regular supply of innovative products. The opportunities what Reliance has is tapping the online market segment, which it had started in this COVID times, expanding business in more emerging markets, infrastructural development in domestic and offshore operation units, diversification from core energy businesses. The threats what Reliance is facing is intense competition from all sectors. As I mentioned before, Reliance has various competitors in each and every segment. Like in retail, they have competitors. In refining and marketing, they have competitors. In digital services, they have competitors. and so on. Litigation may impact business expansion of Reliance. Porter's five forces, bargaining power of buyers. The bargaining power of buyers is relatively moderate on the aggregate level, whereas it differs from the segment from each business segment. Like for retail it is different, for digital services and other business segments it's different. Overall, on an aggregate level, bargaining power of buyers is moderate. Rivalry from existing players is moderate, and threat of the existing products is also moderate. Threat of new entrants is low. That is because a new startup will have a problem competing with Reliance because it has created its brand and it's well established brand. So threat of new entrants is low. There is a low bargaining power of sellers. Bargaining power of sellers is also considered to be low. BCG matrix, Boston Consulting Group has given the matrix. The BCG matrix of Reliance is, it has high market share and high growth rate in Reliance Retail Limited, Reliance Global Management Service, Reliance Engineering Associates, and Jamnagar Refinery has high market share and high growth rate. Whereas, so it is a star. It is marked as star. Whereas cash cows, that is, it includes low market growth rate and high market share. Though there is a high market share plus low growth rate, are Reliance Oil and Gas, Reliance Biopharmaceuticals, Ranger Farms Limited. Though in future they have the opportunity to grow, it has the potential to grow in future. Whereas Tox, which includes low market share and low growth rate. Reliance Petrochemicals and Reliance Broadband are in a difficult situations. They have to come up with new strategies. Well, the question mark, which has low market share, low growth rate. Reliance Petroleum has an unpredictable future, and they have to buck up, or else it's already having an unpredictable future. So they have to come up with something new. Pestle analysis. The political factors that may affect Reliance are corruption in politics, as there is a lot of corruption here. The changes in the political system of the country will lead to changes in the company functioning. Government stability and policies, the new add-on policies that come up, that is a problem for Reliance. In terms of environmental analysis, Reliance keeps in mind the proper utilization of resources and using it in sustainable manner without harming the resources. That is, it looks for conservation of natural resources and it tries to maintain harmony in the nature. Social. Reliance tagline is only growth is life. So it wants to take the society together and move forward. As its tagline says, growth is life. Technology, research and development in introducing new technology. Reliance has to keep on working its technology. As the days pass by, it has to start adopting to new technology, whatever comes in the market, to stay in the leading position in the market. Economic analysis. So in case of economic, what is good for India is good for Reliance. Reliance believes in the motto, whatever is good for India, that is good for Reliance. In terms of a legal analysis, the rising stock market unpredictability is one of the legal problem. rising rivalry, quick advances in innovation, additional requesting shareholders, and expanding trouble of the business conditions. This include the legal factors. The shareholding pattern. Promoters of the company includes 51% of the share. They have the higher share, and foreign institutional investors has 25% share. Other institutions include 8%. Public has 11% of shares in Reliance, and 5% shares are of mutual funds. Reliance, it can net worth of Reliance. It can be observed that the net worth of Reliance has grown from if we look into the past 5 years data from 2016 to 2020, there is an increase in the net worth of Reliance. 2020, we would see the higher net worth. What in the financial year 2019 to 2020, there is an increase in the net worth of the company, which is a good signal to the company, and which is a good signal for the investors to invest in the company. Let's look into the financials of the company. Profitable ratios. The gross profit margin, if we observe, it was high in the year 2016, but it has got reduced in the year 2020. Gross profit margin indicates the profits that company gets after the sales. After they generate the sales revenue, the profit they take after they get the revenue from the sales. Here they have to see where the company can look into this and start working where it is lacking and how the gross profit margin can be increased. Net profit margin, if we observe, net profit margin is also being reduced compared to the year 2016. This year, in the year 2020, it has been reduced. That could be due to the various and external factors. Then if we observe operating profit margin, profit generated from operations of the company, it's also the same that in the year 2016, there was more of operating profit margin, which was 20.79%. And in the year 2020, it is 14.78%. Liquidity and solvency ratio. The current ratio, if you observe, is equal in both 2019 and 2020. There is not much difference, and it is observed. And in terms of debt to equity ratio, as I mentioned, the company has become debt-free company. The debt to equity ratio is 0.64. Price earning ratio, PE ratio. It's observed that in the year 2019, there was a high amount of price earning ratio compared to all the other years. There is a slight decrease in the year 2019 from 20.41% to 17.44%. There is a fall in the price earning ratio. The 5-year chart of monthly prices, monthly share prices. As it is observed that there is a fluctuation in the prices from April 2015 to 2020. Reliance current share price is, as on 30th October 2020, is 2064.35 rupees. Awards and achievements. The awards and achievements of Reliance includes Shri Mukesh Ambani was recognized as the iconic business leader of the decade at the Indian Business Leaders Award. Reliance was awarded exceptional presentation in Unipol PE Global Technology Conference 2019 in US. Reliance Jio won the Best Data Service Innovation Emerging Market at Global Career Awards. Reliance was awarded a Golden Peacock Award for Corporate Social Responsibility 2019 for improving the livelihood for farmers, fishers folk, and livestock owners through information services. The Dahej Manufacturing Division, Silvassa Manufacturing Division, and Hoshiarpur Manufacturing Division awarded Apex India Environment Excellence Award 2019 under Platinum category. Reliance was awarded winner at 18th Annual Green Tech Safety Award 2019 for persistent commitment in the field of safety. Future of Reliance is quite promising. Reliance is in process of increasing its recycling efforts by doubling the capacity of recycling about 5 million PET bottles soon. Reliance Retail, India's largest retail chain, said on Reliance being India's largest retail chain, said on 25th October evening that it has proposed a deal to acquire Futures Group's asset for a whopping $3.4 billion. That is, Reliance may acquire Futures Group asset in near future. Thank you.